sometimes, you need to tell to people kung talagang mahalaga sila sa'yo, yun nararamdaman mo. Because pag hindi mo yun ginawa, they will just, yung knowledge kasi nila, hindi okay lang si ate, okay lang si Pauline, ganyan naman yun. No, it's not. The more na nararamdaman ng isang tao that you're a strong person, happy person, nawawala na tao ako. Hindi porque sinabi ko strong ako, I'm not weak. Hindi ko sinabi I'm happy, di ako umiiyak. Diba? So they need to know. When it's too much na, it's so painful. Sometimes, you can even say it direct to the point. Sobra naman yun. Huwag naman ganyan. Diba? Kasi I'm trying to understand the situation. But sometimes, you also need to understand. Kumbaga, they need to hear your side.